In this video, we're going to show you how to add different page borders and styles to your document in Microsoft Word. Let's begin. There are different border settings and styles in Microsoft Word. Select your preferred border feature before adding a page border to your document. Note that a border is different from the page margin. Launch the Microsoft Word app on Windows PC or Mac. On the ribbon at the top, click the Design tab. Click the Page Borders option in the Page Background group. In the Borders and Shading dialog box, click the Page Border tab. Next, in the Settings section, select from the options below. The Border Settings section determines the vividness of your border. In the Style section, scroll through the section and select the thickness of the border lines. In the Color section, click on the drop-down and select the preferred color for your border. If you do not select a border color, note that the default color will be black. In the Width section, click the drop-down, then select the preferred thickness for the border lines. Note that the initial thickness of the border width is connected to your border style. After selecting your preferred design elements for the page border, check its final look in the Preview section. Select or deselect the boxes in the Preview section to determine the page margins with borders. Apply to the whole document or choose your preferred option. Click on OK. That's it. You have successfully added a page border to your document in Microsoft Word. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.